Week blues weighing you down, honey buns? Don't you worry, because Bollywood is here to spice things up with the biggest headlines, hottest gossip and the fantabulously filmy stuff. From Varun and Natasha reciprocating the love to Bonnie Kapoor fuming over S.S. Rajmouli's box office clash, the SC declaring that freedom of speech is not absolute in the Tandav Row and more, the tea is piping hot and we are spilling it all on this edition of Bollybuzz. With the wedding festivities and merriment now coming to a close, Varun Dhawan and Natasha Dalal finally got some time to reciprocate all the love that was sent their way. Taking to his handle, the hunk penned a note on behalf of his wife and said, "The last few days, me and Natasha have received so much love and positivity from everyone, so just wanted to thank everyone from the bottom of my heart." Amidst the raging Tandav Row, the Supreme Court orally observed that freedom of speech is not absolute during its hearing on the plea, seeking a stay on FIRs against the actors and producers of the web series. A bench, headed by Ashok Bhushan, expressed its disinclination to pass any direction to stay the FIRs. "You want the FIRs to be squashed? Then why can't you approach the High Court?" asked Justice Bhushan. Oh snap, that had to sting. But the bench, however, said that the police can file closure reports if apologies have been made. If you thought that was the only reality drama we got hooked on today, may we present something just as fiery? Bonnie Kapoor did not hold back on his disappointment when he shared his thoughts on the impending box office clash with S.S. Rajmouli's RRR this October. The producer, who booked October 15, 2021 as the release date for Maidan, has been seen red since Rajmouli picked October 13th for the release of his film. Why does an S.S. Rajmouli film after the two Bahubali films need a holiday weekend? Kapoor asked while revealing that his entire cast and production team is not too happy about this update. The two even chatted over the phone, but it was apparently Lord Rajmouli's decision to make. Well then, guess brotherhood can take a break when business is at play. Although we love a good old controversy, it is the latest buzz that has everyone in B-Town buzzing. In the latest chapter on the rise of Kartik Aaryan, the hunk may just be in talks to team up with Shah Rukh Khan for an upcoming venture. No, not yet on the big screen, but behind the scenes. Word is that Kartik has been in talks with Khan's banner for an Ajay Bal directorial and is now all set to start shooting within the next 2 months. Apparently, Kartik was looking for a quick project to wrap up in 30 to 40 days before committing to his longer schedules. Talking about films and scheduled shoots, look who we bumped into. Bollywood beauty Aishwarya Rai Bachchan had some lucky fans on cloud 9 when she was spotted shooting in Hyderabad for Mani Ratnam's ambitious film Ponniyin Selvan. We got our hands on these pictures of the beauty, putting on her best miles of the camera as she stopped to take selfies with her adoring fans. That's all for today, folks. See you all tomorrow, same time, same place. Bye.